attention, sanity, attention, and score of and side and soft and side and down. Stanities, attention, stanities, attention. All of you left turn and scarborough and side. If there is no suffering here, please join in your life. And so, I request all the officers to take their civic life. And side and down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention, and cover and side and soft and side and down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. All of you right turn and Scarborough and side and soft and side and down. Stanities, attention, stanities, attention. Now let's prepare for our national anthem. And Scarborough and side and soft and side and down. Stanities, attention, stanities, attention. Now all of you wait for our school song. and sorrow, and sigh, and sob, and sigh, and stop. Stanity, attention. Stanity. So I like to call respected speakers to give their speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. It's me Kishan BK from Grade 4 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of cow. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizers who have organized this type of program which helps to increase level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. Cow. Cow is a national animal. Cow has four legs, two eyes, one nose, one mouth, 2 ears. Thank you. Have a nice day.
आदरणीय उपप्रधानध्यापकज्यू गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारे साथी र भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई सब हार्दिक नमस्कार। मेरो नाम पूर्णिमा लामा, म कक्षा 9 की छात्रा। आज म अवर्षणीयको दिनमा भन्न गइरहेछु। अवर्षणीयको दिन पुसको 9 गते क्रिसमसको दिन थियो। म बिहान सबेरै उठेँ, नयाँ कपडा लाएर क्रिसमसको लागि कोठा सजाउन गएँ। दिदीहरू पनि आउनु भएको थियो। हामीले बेलुका उपहारहरू पनि साटासाट गऱ्यौँ र मिठा खाना खाएँ र सबैजना रमाइलो गरेर नाचे। धन्यवाद। Namaskar and very warm good morning to Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me, Susmita Bura, in front of you to say memorable day in my life. The memorable day is very special for everyone. It cannot be forget. It always remain in our mind. Likewise, my most memorable day in my life was going to my village. After a long time, after 5 years, I went my village. I was so excited to meet my family. Finally, I wake up. I take a bus from Kathmandu to Surkhet and Surkhet to Jumla. There are many beautiful places we can see our way, and I enjoy traveling in bus. Finally, I reach Jumla, my birthplace, and I was shocked to see in my village has changed a lot. I was happy and I enjoy a lot in my village, and thank you. Have a nice day.
And sorrow, and sighed, and sob, and sighed, and stop. Stanities, attention. Stanities. So to provide some information, I'd like to welcome our Vice Principal Sir.
Thank you, Pousha. So I noticed that Susmita had brought our memorable days events, but it must be in past tense. You were saying in present, right? Most memorable day means it was already completed. So from tomorrow onwards, at first write and show to your English teachers. Show it to your Nepali teacher and bring the correct one. And I haven't seen the speaker from grade 8. Why? Whose duty is today? Biris, more than absent today? So everybody must write and it will be checked. There should not be less than 150 words. Remember, bring it in written form. We'll continue it regularly. Attention, cover up, inside, hands up, stretch your hands, inside, hands down, stand at it. So today class 4 and class 6, please submit your copies for inspection, and all the copies must be checked. So don't forget to submit your copies to your subject teachers. There are many more revisions. Very important questions are solved. Whether you have written correctly or not, you check it. Sometimes what we have noticed, the teacher gives the answer. It's written on the whiteboard, but while copying you do many more mistakes. If you cannot copy correctly, then what can you do? You have to be creative. Teacher has solved the answer that question. You cannot copy it correctly. Why? Then how will you write in examination? Be focused. Don't distract your mind. And tomorrow is holiday. It is for exam preparation. Remember, it's not for visiting here and there. From Sunday we have got third term examination. So you have to come with full preparation. I hope you might have got the admit card. If not so, please remind your parents to visit the account section and get it. This time you have got Viva as well. I said last time also. Class 4 to 7. Before your written test, there will be 2 exams, minor exams. One is for CAS, another is a Viva. So Viva carries 25 marks. And CAS, today's, or means the particular day's exam will carry 10 marks. And written exam, 50. 4 to 8, and 75, 9 and 10. So be prepared accordingly. Focus on writing and understanding. Don't focus on cheating from others, copying from others. And handwriting, it must be very attractive one. Attention. Cover up. Check your line whether it is straight or not. Inside. Hands up. Clap together. Together. Hello, Rana Mama, what are you doing? Shouting right and left hand. Sound must come from there. A bit louder. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. The march time. Hands forward and backward. Legs up and down. Together. Knee step kota, back step. But children who are not taking the deeper feet, please take the deeper first. Goal is increasing. Miswagi. No problem.